So input is 18, I'm going to do 18, then multiply by 4 and subtract 8. Gives me an answer of 64. If the output is 20, I need to do the opposite, so start with 20, opposite of subtract is add, and the opposite of multiply is divide. So I know I must have started with a 7. If the input is 8, so the first thing that happens, it gets multiplied by 5, it gives me 40, then we add x and we get to 50. So what do I add to 40 to get 50? The answer is 10. To fill in the tally chart, we go through each one, cross off and put a tally. So there's cashew, pistachio, almond. If we go all the way through, we get frequencies of 4, 7, 5 and 4, which we can then draw in a beautiful bar graph. Multiply means I'm going to end up with powers, so I've got 1, 2, 3y, so it's y to the power 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and I've got c, d. 2 subtract 4 add 3, they're all k, so I can do it. 2 subtract 4 add 3 leaves me with 1k. Lowest temperature at midnight, so midnight I'm only looking at this one, lowest is the most negative, so Alto Campo. Increase from midnight to midday at Chamonix, so to go from -5 up to 3 is 8. 1 degree for every 300 metres, midnight at Asiago. So midnight at Asiago is -7. Then how many 300 metres in 1800? So 1800 divided by 300 is 6. So it's going to fall another 6. So it was at -7. If it drops another 6, it's down at -13. Get a red counter, well there are 10 reds out of 20 in the bag. Blue, well I know about 7 and 10 of them, so I know about 17, which means there are 3 other, so 3 out of the 20 are blue. Right, 2 more green counters, so that's 9. 1 more red counter, so that's 11. And 2 more blue. Well, we said there were 3, so there must be 5 of those. So to get a green for Adam is 7 out of 20. To get a green for Ruth, oh sorry, other way round. So Ruth takes out of this bag 7 out of 20. Adam takes from this bag, green is 9 out of a total 9 plus 11 plus 5, 25. Which is bigger? Well, let's change them both to decimals. This is 0.35. This is 0.36, which is just bigger, so Adam has the greater probability.